Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, I am Aisha, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you an easy step to lose weight dramatically. So let's jump into it. You see, this step, the food you eat will attack the candida, food intolerance and hypoglycemia, which in turn will remove your food cravings. And if there's no food cravings, it's weight loss, and you're going to end up losing weight dramatically. And this should encourage you to move into step 2 confidently and keeping your commitment. You see, in just about 5 days, you'll be able to have a dramatic weight loss eating the food I recommended in this simple and easy step. And to make it more interesting, you don't have to count calories. There's no calorie counting at all. You can eat a lot of food without having to count calories, so long as it's the same size as your stomach, not more than your stomach. That is not overfeeding. Yeah? And not only that, you would also be able to remove your cravings just in about, say, day 5 or day 4 even. Your craving will become under your control, so you don't have to crave, and weight loss comes fast. In addition to that as well, all the food that you're intolerant to will be gone, and it will help you with the causes of the illness that is due to the intolerance of the food that you eat that you're intolerant to. So all that, you'll be able to get rid of it, and your glucose level will be back to normal. You'll be under control as well. It's short and nice, and I hope you really enjoy watching this video. So give me a yes or no in the comment section below this video if you think you're going to be keeping to this easy step that will give you dramatic weight loss in 5 days, whereby there's no calorie counting and you can eat as much as you want, so long as you're not overfeeding. And also, if you want to know more about step 1 to 3, especially step 1 is your starting point, is very crucial, please click the link below this video and go and watch step 1. You'll be able to know the kind of food to eat so that you can have this dramatic weight loss in 5 days. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also watch out for my next video, whereby I'll be giving you more tricks and tips on how to lose weight and eat healthy. So until I speak to you again, you take care now and goodbye.